How to change page size in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change the page size in Microsoft Word? This is really useful when you're working on assignments, official documents, or anything that needs a specific paper size. So, first things first, open up your Microsoft Word document, and then you need to go to the Layout tab at the top, and then uh, you need to go to Size. Now, a drop down menu will appear showing different page sizes such as letter, tabloid, legal, statement, and more. So, you can just simply click on the size that you need, and then Word will instantly apply it to your document. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.